Xpressions, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another entry into my Pandora online catalog. I meant to film this months and months ago. However, I just kind of lost a little bit of passion for, just uploading videos and Pandora overall. But I'm trying to catch up now. I'm trying to be back, be more present. I have a lot of catching up to do. This is the third time I've attempted to make this video. The first one was on my phone. I am filming on my phone again. But I could not get the close-ups that I wanted, and the lighting was kind of crappy, which is not that much better now, but we're trying again. The second time was on my camcorder, thinking that I could maybe edit this on the laptop. I got my laptop back finally. It's like a brand new laptop, but because of that, I don't have my editing software anymore, and I'm having trouble downloading it. So I tried to record it real quick and use the laptop's own video editing software, which is complete crap. It's trash. It's garbage. No way. So I am trying again on my phone. So apologies if it's not the best quality. Really, I'm just here to showcase this charm to help collectors who may have just acquired this on the secondhand market like eBay or Poshmark or Tradesy or Mercari or whatever, so that you can confirm that that you have the correct and genuine item. Okay? So let's just get started. Usually what I like to do is I like to have like really deep, like ultra deep, like close-ups. However, my phone will not allow that. So I'm going to try to hold it here, focus, and then zoom in, and hopefully that will give and show the details that I want you guys to see. So in case you hadn't noticed, when you have your little carriage, I did not notice. I noticed this only a couple of years ago. There is a little face. There is a profile on this side of the charm. So see, on this side, inside the window, inside the thing, you have the actual carriage, you have like little curtains, right, that they're drawn. And then on the other side, you can actually maybe even see a little face. I mean, there's not much detail. So either there's a person there sitting with a cloak or hood, or it's hair, and you can actually see a little face, or at least the side of the face. See that? Not amazing? No clue until up to like a couple years ago. And also, one thing that I just noticed is right here. See that tiny little mark right there? That looks to me like a heart. Now, Pandora is has always been known to hide hearts in their designs, which I think is the most adorable thing ever. So it's a little hidden heart, which like I said, did not even realize until I just, focused this up, zoomed in. Okay, then we have the hallmark, which is S925ALE. Okay, if yours does not have the S, it just says 925ALE, it is still authentic. Pandora did not start adding the S until the 2000 and, I want to say maybe 2012 or 2013, 14, or 15. I'm not exactly sure. But if it does not have the S, it is still an authentic charm. Okay, notice this wheel is a little bit larger than this one. We have the cute little gold crown with the embedded pearl. Okay, and then if we flip it, hello. You see the same on the other side. The curtains on the right hand now here, and then the figure on the left hand side. Isn't that adorable? And now that I'm looking at my charm, I'm starting to think, oh no, I think this little prong is a little bit crooked. To me, it looks like it's a little bit crooked, a little bit askew this way, which you can't help. I mean, if you're going to use your charm, it's going to get banged up a little bit. I mean, from this angle, it looks fine. From here, I think it's just a little bit bent. But the pearl is secure, so I'm not too worried about it falling off or losing it. Just gotta keep an eye on it and just take good care of it. Okay, now this charm, I believe, memory serves, was released either in 2010 or 2011. It retailed for $90. Get my light over here, maybe get some better lighting. I have a light source here because there's too much harsh shadows. What was I saying? 2010, 2011, it was released. Hello. And It retailed for $90, and I believe it stayed at 90. It did not increase in price. Sometimes they get released at a cheaper price point, and as you know, the years go by, inflation kicks in, and or the production costs different to, like, manufacture this charm, so the price goes up. It started at 90, and I believe it ended at 90. It did not go up, and it was retired in 2016. Okay, so I'll have all that information at the bottom, not the bottom. Shoot, hold on, guys. I'm looking for that little. There it is. Sorry. What was I saying? I'll have all this information in the description box below. If you guys have any requests on other charms that you would like me to showcase for the online Pandora catalog, please let me know in the comments below. If I have that charm, I'll be more than happy to showcase it. So again, it can help other collectors who have may just obtained the same charm through secondary markets to confirm that it is an authentic Pandora charm. So I will leave you with some more close-ups of this beautiful charm. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.